National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Dane County and South Central Wisconsin, Jefferson County and Southeast Wisconsin until 12:30 a.m. At 11:51 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located near Marshall and moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Mills around 12:05 a.m., Johnson Creek and Jefferson around 12:15 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Milford and Ellenville. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas